Good morning everyone. So today in English class we are going to do jumbled letters. Okay, so fast put the date. Today's date is 18. Yes, it's a day. January is the month, first month, and 2022 is the year. And the topic is jumbled letters. What is jumbled letters? I have already told you so many times. Those letters which are shuffled. Okay, जो हमने इधर उधर लिख दिया, आगे पीछे लिख दिया. Now you have to, yes, you have to properly put in the order. You have to properly put all the letters in an order and take out a meaningful word like L-O-P-O. So we can make P-O-O-L. Pool. P, yes. P-O-O-L. Pool. Next is K-P-U-L-C. P-L-U-C-K. Pluck. In this, you just have to concentrate on the letters and then you can take out the meaningful word. Pluck. Pluck means, yes, torna. N-O-D-P, P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Talab. E-P-R-I, R-I-P-E, ripe. I-P-E, ripe. Correct? Now, A-P-N-L-S-T, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Plants, you very well know. Plants. So this one, ripe. कुछ भी चीज़ जो पकी हुई होती है, like fruits are ripe, mango is ripe. So ripe and plants are पौधे. The next one is U-L-F-L, F-U-L-L, full. So this is how you have to take out. First you have to 2 or 3 times you have to read those letters. Then properly try to keep it in a proper order. Then automatically the correct word will come out. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Rest we will do in the class.